I'm joining the Six Figure Copy Academy on November 3rd.
I'm joining the Six Figure Copy Academy that launches on November 3rd.
I'm joining the Six Figure Copy Academy November 3rd.
I'm joining the Six Figure Copy Academy on November 3rd.
I'm joining the Six Figure Academy on November 3rd.
So on November 3rd, it's finally happening. I'm officially launching the Six Figure Copy Academy. What exactly is this? Why should you care? It is an online school for 100 dedicated copywriters to hit their first 10K month as a copywriter. So that's courses, a community, coaching calls, copy job board, copywriting feedback, client getting challenges, and it's capped at 100 members. Why should you care? Why should you listen to me? Let me just show you a little bit of my results as a copywriter. So 6 years ago, I decided, you know what? I'm gonna take the plunge and build an online business. I wanna make 10K a month and work anywhere in the world. So I decided to take a chance on copywriting. And within the first 3 months, I was able to land my first few clients, quit my job, and at month 6, moved halfway around the world, made my first 5K month in month 7, first $9,000 month in month 12, and since then, $10,000 to $15,000 months. Here's just a few of my recent bank statements just to show you that this is legit. Here is, February, almost 11,000, March, 11,000, April, 13,000. And I've done this for the past few years. And it doesn't just work for me. Here are a few of my 650 copywriting students that have helped land their first clients and build up their businesses to full time. Here's a few of them. Here's a few of the results. This is Jay. He got $3,750 within 1.5 months. This is Carlos. He made $1,000 from that client. This guy made $1,200 in a few days. 6K, 1,500, and a little bit more than that. So a lot of results that this works for other people too, not just me. So what exactly is the Six Figure Copy Academy and how can it help you get your dream life? So the Six Figure Copy Academy includes my entire flagship copywriting course, the Six Figure Copywriter, which is the 4-phase blueprint to your first $5,000, $10,000 a month as a copywriter. This is an entire roadmap and a daily checklist. You literally don't even have to think about what to do every day. I just tell you, day 1, check this off. Day 2, check this off, all the way to day 180, so you're never left guessing what you need to do every day. In the course, you're gonna learn how to write copy from scratch. Even if you've never written copy before, you're gonna learn how to land clients and land your first client fast. Most of my students land their first client within 30 days, about 70% of them. And so I make it very simple on how to outreach best in 2025 and 2026 and beyond. On top of that, you're gonna get access to a community. So you're gonna have other like-minded copywriters, but only 100 serious, dedicated copywriters who are ambitious and actually building towards a 10K month, not some random freebie Discord groups where people who don't know what they're doing are half in and half out or trying to give you advice that doesn't work. It's gonna be me there with you and 100 people coaching you every step of the way to get you your first 10K month. So every week we're gonna do coaching calls, you're gonna get copy feedback, you're gonna get accountability and support from other copywriters who are in the same path as you on the same journey. And there's already people on the wait list right now who are gonna be joining the Academy, who already have a few clients who are making like $1,000 to $5,000 a month, and they're gonna be able to support you every step of the way as well. So it's happening November 3rd. And so we got the courses, we got the weekly coaching calls with me, you got weekly copywriting feedback directly from me. After earning over $650,000 these past few years, I'm gonna tell you exactly how to make your copy convert so you get clients results, which means you get paid. You're also gonna get daily support and accountability from other copywriters on the same journey. And this is one of the juicy things, you're gonna get a daily copywriting job board. So every single day, I'm going to put the latest opportunities for business owners looking for copywriters willing to pay thousands of dollars directly inside the Academy so you can go pitch these guys. And you don't even have to leave the Academy, you can just go inside, find the new job updates and apply to them and get paid. And one of the funnest things is there's gonna be monthly challenges and cash prizes. So we're gonna do a leaderboard every month. We're gonna do a challenge, hey, who can land the most clients, who can generate the most revenue from their business? And the top 3 winners, we're gonna get cash prizes. So even more money to help you hit your goals. So if you're looking for a way to make 6 figures per year from home, if you have no idea how to start an online business, but you want to get started, if you are a new copywriter and you want to learn how to land clients and hit your first 1,000, 5,000, 10,000 plus month, or if you're a copywriter already in that 1,000 to 5,000 range, but you just can't scale past 10K, then this is for you. So it doesn't matter if you have 0 business experience, you have 0 writing experience, you consider yourself a bad writer, or you just have no idea how to build this business, then you're gonna learn everything you need to build this thing from scratch to be hitting those 5, 10, 15K months fast. In the Six Figure Copy Academy, you're gonna learn the exact same system that helped me go from 0 to $9,000 a month in 12 months and 10 to 15K months since. Plus, you're gonna learn the exact same system that's helped 650 of my copywriting students land their first clients get to full-time as well. Like Chase, who quit his job in 3 months. Maya, who landed 3 clients in her first 30 days. Like Chris, who made $1,200 in 2 weeks. Jite, who landed a $600 email client in 18 days. Doors to the Six Figure Copy Academy open November 3rd, so click the link below to join the waitlist now. And there are only 100 spots going to be available in the Academy, and already 84 people are on the waitlist. So you can do the math. If you want to get in quick and get the first 20 get founding member pricing, click the link below to join the waitlist and to get your first 10K month as a freelance copywriter.